In this video, I will show you how to create a list and a detail page for any website. I will do a simple process and I will clear your concept. At first, go to your project. This is my Django project and this is my Django app. So in the settings.py, you have to install the app. Now go to models inside the app and create a class student. Inside the student model, here is some field like name, email, subject and admitted. Name is character field, email is email field, subject is character field and admitted is date time field, and default is timezone.now, but you have to import the time zone from django.utils. Next, create a class meta for ordering. Ordering equal to minus admitted. So I just reverse the admitted. So here I add minus and then create a str function which returns self.name. Now go to admin.py and register the student model from .models import student. Now go to views, create a list page. Object equal to. Now go to views. Now go to admin, but you have to create a super user. So I have already created a super user. So go to student app and I here created some object like Mike, Asis, Guppy. Here are some objects. So I create another one like name John. Email is john@gmail.com and subject is English. Create the object. So now I want to grab the all of object inside the HTML page. So here create a object variable and at first you have to import the student from .models. So object variable equal to student.object.all and pass the obj variable inside the render I will use in HTML file. So go to list.html inside the templates. So now create here a for loop for grab all the object. Obj is variable. Now end the for loop. So I just want to print the name. So x.name name. I just want to print the name. So add a hr tag, save it, run the server and go to browser. So here you can see John, Mike, Moni, Asis, Guppy are added here. So here you can put h1 tag, save it and go to the browser. Okay, so now I want to create a detail page. When I click on John, the all detail of John will be visible on HTML page. So what we need? We need to add a anchor tag at first. The hyperreference is URL and name of URL is detail. We will create it. With this link, I want to pass the ID of the object. So after detail, hit a space and type x.id. For what? For what? I just want to pass the ID of the object. So I type here x.id. Now save it. Now go to URL, create an URL for detail. So views.detail page. And the name of URL is detail. So create a path. ID always be an integer. So create a path. Now go to views. Now create a detail view. Detail page. Detail page will take two arguments. One is request and next is ID, because with the URL I pass the ID. So this function will take the ID of the object If you don't pass the ID of the object, the function will not work. So here create a variable obj equal. I want to get the object, so at first import get object or 404. So here type obj equal to get object or 404 and then pass the class student and then type primary key equal to id, pk equal id. Okay, so now return render request and render to detail.html and now pass the Django variable obj. Save it. Now go to the templates and create detail.html. Now go to the bootstrap and just copy the starter template and paste here. The title of the page is detail page. So I just create a Jumbotron class and a h1 tag, and inside the h1 tag I just type detail page. So now our Django variable is obj, so we will use it. So here type h1 and name. So pass the variable obj dot name. So same type for email and the subject. So create a container class, container, save it. So now run the server and go to the browser. Okay, so click on John. You will see a detail page of John, name, email and subject. So click on Mike. You will see a detail page of Mike. Okay, you have to just remember that with the URL you have to pass the ID of a object, then you will use the ID of the object in the detail page. Thanks for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe the channel.